What's up everybody, Jeremy Vesey here. Today we're going to be using the blur tool to round our type. There are plenty of ways to round your vectors in Adobe Illustrator. You can use the plugin Round All Corners. You can use the newly added rounding feature in Illustrator by simply creating a shape, selecting the points, and dragging inwards to make sharp corners into rounded corners. But today I'm going to talk about a quick and messy way that you can do all of this very fast. We're going to take this logo type that I just created and round it using the blur tool. This is great if your desired outcome is an inky hand-drawn effect. So let's select our logo type and go to the top and press Effect, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Now we're going to adjust our settings for our desired effect. You can adjust this any way you like. The intensity of the blur will create a more rounded outcome. Now we're going to press OK. Let's go up to the object and select Rasterize. Now that it's been turned into an image, we can live trace it. Click Live Trace, and to start, let's select Sketched Art. Now let's go into the Image Trace panel. You can adjust the threshold until you have the desired effect. Now click Expand, and there you have it, a quick and dirty way of making things look inky. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments section what you'd like me to go over in the future.